Hello everybody. In this video I will show you how easy it is to add a stock ticker into the spreadsheet. I have adapted the sheet here with the ticker symbols a little bit to make it easier for all of the users. So I have a column with the tickers, the share price and the company names. I added the company names just to make sure that you can check that you have the right ticker symbol. And the instruction is very clear. Simply add or change the ticker and the price will get fetched automatically. Do not delete a row or it will no longer be possible to automatically sort the drop-downs whenever you need to select a ticker symbol in a drop-down menu. So if you want now, for example, to add a ticker symbol, we'll just scroll down and I've added a lot of places as you can see here. I will just go to the last open field and let's, for example, Chewy is not in my list. The ticker symbol for Chewy is CHWY. I type it in, I hit enter and the stock price is fetched and I can check that it's actually indeed the ticker symbol for the stock Chewy Incorporated. Now if I go to the journal and I want to add a new row, for example, for a new entry, let me check if the ticker symbol of Chewy is now in the drop down list. I just click and I will look for it, and as you can see here, Chewy is in the list. So it's that easy. You no longer need to take any care of sorting and stuff like that. That's automatically done in the spreadsheet. Okay, now the second part of this video is how was it done in the previous version. You can always download the latest version of the spreadsheet and copy your transaction data into that newest version, but that's not always necessary. If you're a little bit handy with Google Sheets and you don't want to copy paste all of the data into the newest version, you can also easily adapt if you want to add a ticker symbol. And I will show that in the second part of this video. So I'll go to the backend stock data, and this is what actually it shows in one of the earlier versions. And I have here my list with the ticker symbol and the share price. The share price is also automatically fetched depending on the ticker symbol that you will enter. And let me, for example, do I have Chewy here? No, I don't. I will add Chewy. I'll just enter it. And as you can see, there's nothing happens here. Why is that? Because the formula has not been copied down. You can see there's a formula here to fetch with the function Google Finance the stock price. This is not inside here, you can see. So what you actually need to do is just to drag down the formula. And as you can see now also the stock price of Chewy has been fetched automatically by the spreadsheet. You go to journal. And if, for example, you want to add a new row also here for a new transaction, and if you want to select the stock ticker, okay, does Chewy appear here? No, not in alphabetical order, but it will appear at the bottom of the list. And that's what I want to adapt. So how do I now sort in an alphabetical way the different tickers? And this must pay attention to what you do. You select from the first ticker, and that's being Apple, together the share price, the two columns, until you have selected also the latest row with the tickers. With that being selected, you go to data and you select sort range, not sheet, but sort range. And you sort the range by column B, because you want to alphabetically sort on the ticker symbol, and you click. And as you can see, the tickers are adapted in their order. Chewy has been put here. Oracle, which was another one that I have added a while ago, is now also inside the list, and you can click away from the selection. And if you now go back to the journal, you will try to make a new selection. You will have to see here Chewy is showing up here in an alphabetical order. It's that easy. It's not a lot of fuss. I realized that in the newer version it's a lot easier, and that's why I've adapted it. But if you're still working in one of the earlier versions and you know how to sort, let's say, a range of data in a spreadsheet, you will manage just fine. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and please don't hesitate to send me questions whenever you have them. I'm here to help you, and I'm happy to make videos demonstrating the best way to work with the spreadsheet. Thank you for watching. Bye.